Girlfriends, I've got an under eye trick for you you're going to love. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. Now, right now, I don't have anything on. You can look and see. I'm just a mess. But I'm 61. I'm going to have something, you know. But this is a trick that Wayne Goss did. And I thought, you know, that's genius. I think I'll try it. So I did try it. And all the ladies the other night on Unique Melissa, they loved it. Because we did a tips and trick night. And this was one of the tips and tricks. So let me show you how to do it. Now, when he was talking about his under eyes, what we need to do, you can either use like an eye cream. This is Younique's eye cream. You can use this, but you're going to have to do it twice. You have to layer it twice as far as moisturizer. But, however, I am using this Nivea. I really love it. It is wonderful. I'll just link it. I'll put the name of it down there. It's loud, I know. But it's kind of a gel. You see? It's a gel. And it goes perfectly under your eyes. And my goodness, it moisturizes mine. Now, it's very, very, very soft and pliable. And when you put it on, it just feels like silk. I mean, it seriously does. And it feels so good to your eyes. It's kind of cooling effect, but it's really, really nice. And then I let that sit just for a few minutes. And then we get on to the magic. All right, there's two things you're going to need. You're going to need a face primer. Yes, I'm going to use Younique's. This has hydration in it, which is really important. And we're going to use this RMS concealer, Uncover Up Concealer. Love it. This is the color 11 that we're going to use. What we're going to do is we're going to mix these two together, and we're going to use them under our under eyes. So let's do this. Back of your hand. I'm just going to do like one little pump of that. I really don't need that much. And then you're going to take your concealer. Now this one, however, I'm going to have to use my little spatula to get this out. And you just take a little bit out and you're going to mix it together with the primer like that. And I do it on the back of my hand because your hand, you know, is washable, number one. And also it warms up the makeup, okay? See that? That's way too much, girlfriend. Let's do it. Now, look, there it is on the back of my hand. And you can just kind of mix it up if you want to on the back of your hand like that. It's really, really easy to do. You're going to take just a tad of it, and you're going to pop it right here in the corner, like that. And then you're going to pop it over here on this side, like that. Now, he didn't put it out here, but I do like to put a little bit out there because, you know, I'm 61, and I want a little bit of a lift, and I like for that light to be there. Now, there we go. Now, the next thing we're going to do, see, we mix way too much. I know we did. And I've got to learn how to get that a little bit less. It's hard to do, though, using that spatula. But you're going to use your fingers to pat this in and go all the way across. Now, make sure you leave enough time for that moisturizer to sink in. And because that's the key, the moisture. Oh, my goodness, this is so cool. Now, I push it out. And I do push it down just a little. Then you're going to take, wow. Then you're going to take and look at this. There is nothing settling in my lines, period. Now, I don't think I need to add any more. I am going to press it one more time, just like that. And then, you know what we're going to do? We're going to set it with a little bit of powder. Okay, now I'm ready to add the powder. I'm going to look at it one more time, just to make sure there's nothing settling there. And if you want to, you can kind of press through it one more time. This is such a good trick, y'all. It did last all day. I tried it, and it was just wonderful. Right now, it's, you know, wintertime here in Alabama. But I believe this would be a great thing to use in the summer as well. Now, I'm just taking a little BK Beauty brush and a little bit of loose powder, which is It's. You see it flying through the air? I love it. And then you're just going to pat it in, because this is what he did. He used a little eye brush and just patted it in like this. Now, I know I'm 61 and mine is not going to be perfect, but let me just say, this stayed all day. It just was so pretty. I love using this because this doesn't have any shine to it. I have got to get my nails done, y'all. I've been doing the nail thing for a while. The dip powder nails, y'all do that? And let me just say, it does not stay on for me. They all start falling off, and it's so aggravating because you pay so much for that. So Lister's got to go do those today for sure. There we go. I know you can see that. See that? They're supposed to look like that, but they look like this. I'm not happy with it. I'm not. I think I'm just going to go back to regular old nothing. Nothing nails. Okay. Look at that. Let's look. Let's check. Girl, y'all need to try it. This is absolutely one of the best tricks I have ever done for my under eyes, and it did last all day. So I want you to go try it. I'll list what I used below, and I'll see you later. Bye.